Welcome back to Faskia YouTube channel. Welcome back to channel Faskia. Today's bike is eating some chips, but that's not sponsored. Okay, don't have the sponsored thing. Now I already opened a Jurassic World toy. It's my favorite top, and now I'm gonna open my Barbie Tokyo 2020 Olympics. This is so cool. I'm gonna open it from the bottom. Getting chips. Yep. I'm gonna open it. Okay, you got this. Gonna put it down. Now let's get the Barbie. Which one do you want? Oh, Fight wants the skateboard. Okay. So cool. We can. Oh yeah, we need a snippy. There's a pink. Why do I say pink? I need to say pink. There's a pink skateboard here for the Barbie. Pretty fresh. This is so cute. There's a heart on the bottom. If you guys don't see it, pause the video and close. Here you go. Don't touch it, okay? You have. Jangan pegang dulu ya. Tangannya kotor. Cuci tangan dulu kamu. And next, I'm gonna get the Barbie. Okay, you can play. Next, I'm gonna get the Barbie up. Snippy. The Barbie is looking cool. Okay, good. Okay, need to get the hands out. Get your Cheetos. Oh, okay, weird. I have to get this on. Okay guys, I'm gonna get the Barbie up. Why is there this hair thingy? Okay, got it. You're gonna snip your shoes out. Voila! Snappy. Okay, good. Right, there's the Barbie. But wait. Oh, Faik wants to put the Barbie on the skateboard. Okay, that's fine. Now, okay, this is so awesome. Okay. Faik, the Barbie's just gonna sit down. Okay. With the skateboard. Now I'm gonna get the rest of the things out. Let's check it out. After I'm gonna get all the things out, I'm gonna show you in close up. But I get interested with the medallion. Get it now. Okay, snippy. Guys, don't forget to see my other Barbie videos and the link below. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you what's up, but the scissors not included. This is playing. I'm gonna show you the skateboard first. Because I get the skateboard out first. Hey guys, I'm here. If you guys don't see my face, I'm here. Okay guys, this is the skateboard. Sorry guys. This is a skateboard with pink polish, a heart, and follow me. And there's this cute little pattern here, and there's the wheels. Now, second of all, I'm gonna get a Barbie. Barbie, stand up. Oops, shoes. Nanti, okay? There's the Barbie with some pink shoes, the neon green knee pads, black leather pants, and this pink gloves, and an orange outfit with this fox thing. I don't know what the name is. And there's a cute pink helmet with the Barbie logo. There's a normal Barbie logo. This is a cute Barbie logo. Like, don't make a mess, please. Okay, second of all, third of all, I'm gonna show you the medallion. I just bring. This is the first place medallion. We have a red ribbon, a stretchy ribbon. Now let's show you the outfit, the Tokyo 2020 outfit. The Tokyo 2020 and the rings, 5 rings, and this circle. I don't know what the name is. Oh yeah, there's the name Barbie with this kind of thingy right there. Okay, I'm gonna help Mike put the medallion on the Barbie. Wow, you're gonna have first place. Okay, nanti. The winner of first place is Barbie. Barbie. Thank you so much for this opportunity to get first place. You're welcome. You're the champion. Champion. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Okay, so in the box, this is the inside. So this is the back, and this is like a jacket. So the Barbie is gonna get this off. Get this off. Or maybe get the medallion off too. Okay, good. Mike is just gonna play with the dinosaurs. Guys, if you like my singing and my family, please like and subscribe. Just kidding, guys, I'm not crying. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's put the other one on. Guys, and don't forget to watch the other adventurous videos we got in Fuskia and my other unboxings. And don't forget, the normal thing YouTuber says is subscribe and smash the subscribe button, please. Like, what kind of dino is that? Is it a triceratops? Guys, look, the Barbie's so beautiful with Sorry guys, I'm gonna start again. Guys, look, the Barbie's so pretty. With the pink shoes, the knee pads. Guys, look, the Barbie's so pretty. With neon pink shoes. Like, I forgot to wear the medallion. Can I borrow it? This is so a pleasure to get the opportunity to get this gold medal. It's our welcome because you're the best skateboarder in town. Guys, I'm so glad for my Barbie for getting the first place. Guys, look, my Barbie's so pretty. You see it? But it's kind of hard to get it all on. Let's see the Barbie to play. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Ikan juga babynya. Oh, I have an idea, guys. Really, I have this cute idea. Like, ride. Boleh? Guys, the Barbie's riding on a dinosaur. That's so awesome. Wear your helmet, guys. I'm already wearing a dino boozer. Sorry. Guys, today's enough for this video. Bye guys, see you in my next unboxing video.